Hey everyone, I am Jolan Tangalon from BSC3I, and today I'll be discussing one of the most essential elements in fiction, which is the plot. So, what exactly is plot? The plot is simply the sequence of events that make up a story. It shows how the story unfolds from beginning to end. It's like the roadmap of the story, guiding the characters and the readers through the twists and turns of the narrative. Now, let's go over the three types or structures of plot. So first we have linear plot. When we say linear plot, this is the most common and straightforward structure. It follows a clear chronological order. Events happen one after the another. Think of it like a straight line. So beginning, middle, and end. So for example, in fairy tales like Cinderella, we follow her life from hardship to happiness, step by step, with no flashback or jumping around in time. Second, we have the modular or episodic plot. This one is less strict about the order of events. Instead of a straight line, it's more like puzzle pieces, scene or episodes that may not be in order or that can stand alone but still connect to a larger story. So for example, if you've watched TV series like Black Mirror or Modern Family, each episode has its own story, but there's still a bigger picture or recurring themes. This structure is useful when a writer wants to explore different angles or stories that eventually connect. And finally, the traditional parts of a plot. They are typically made up of five main elements, namely exposition, rising action, climax, falling action, and resolution. So this is the map of the plot of a story. The first part of the plot is the exposition. It provides information about the characters and the setting. The character is a person, an animal, or an imaginary creature that appears in the story, like Elsa in the Frozen, Simba in the Lion King, and Ariel in the Little Mermaid. Setting is the time and place in which the story unfolds. The place or scene may be imaginary or real. Now, after the characters and setting are introduced, the events of the story begin to create suspense as the character faces conflict. This part is the rising action. It introduces and develops conflict or the main problem faced by the character. It includes the events that help to build towards the climax of the story. Climax shows the highest point of interest, suspense, and turning point of the story. This is a moment where the main character reaches or fails to reach their goal. Falling action occurs right after the climax. When the main problem of the story resolves, it shows how the character solved the conflict or the problem. It wins the story down from the climax to the story's end. We are now in the last part of the story plot, the resolution or denouement. So, resolution shows how things end up in the story. Now, I know that some of you or most of you are familiar with the story The Three Little Pigs, right? Now, I'm going to use it into the five elements of plot. So, the exposition of the story is like this. Once upon a time, there were three little pigs. One pig built a house of straw, while the second pig built his house with sticks. The third little pig built his house with bricks. In rising action, this is a conflict. A big bad wolf saw the two little pigs and chased them. Then the big bad wolf went to the first house and blew the house down. And then the big bad wolf went to the second house and blew the house down. The next event, the big bad wolf tried to huff and puff and blow the brick house down, but he could not. The turning point of the story or the climax is when the big bad wolf tried to enter through the chimney, but the third little pig boiled a big pot of water and kept it in below the chimney. We are now in the falling action. The wolf fell into the big pot and died. Finally, we are in the end part of the story, which is the resolution or denouement. The two little pigs now felt sorry for having been so lazy. The two little pigs built their houses with bricks too and lived happily ever after. To sum it up, the plot is the backbone of any story. It guides the characters and events from beginning to end. Whether it's a linear plot that follows a straight line or a modular plot made up of connected episodes, each story unfolds through the five elements of plot: exposition, rising action, climax, falling action, and resolution. Understanding these help us better appreciate how stories are built and why they keep us engaged. So that's all po in my part. Thank you.